I am Pinkisha and today we will learn about vowels and consonants. There are 26 alphabet in English alphabet family. You all know that, right? Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are English alphabets. In this, A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Apart from A, E, I, O, U, the remaining alphabets are called consonants. The alphabets apart from A, E, I, O, U are called consonants like B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are consonants. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So I hope you all are clear now. What is consonants and what are vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U and consonants are B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y and Z. For example, C-A-T, cat. In cat, the letter A is vowel. H-E-N, hen. In the word hen, the letter E is vowel. K-I-D, kid. In the word kid, the letter I is vowel. O-W-L, owl. In the word owl, the letter O is vowel. G-L-U-E, glue. In the word glue, the letter U and E are vowel. The words other than the vowels are called consonants. So in the word cat, C and T are consonants. In the word hen, H and N are consonants. In the word kid, K and D are consonants. In the word owl, W and L are consonants. In the word glue, G and L are consonants. So, repeat after me. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. And the letters apart from vowels are called as consonants. We will do an activity. Circle the vowels. You can see there are few letters on the screen. We will circle the vowels out of these letters. You will do along with me. Q. Is Q a vowel? No. T. No. A. Yes. A is a vowel. So we will circle A. K. No. B. No. M. No. E. A-E-I-O-U. So E is vowel. We will circle the letter E. U. Yes, A-E-I-O-U. So U is vowel. O. A-E-I-O-U. So O is also vowel. N doesn't come in A-E-I-O-U, so it is not a vowel. It's a consonant. G. It's a consonant. W. Again a consonant. I. A-E-I. Yes, I is a vowel. So we will circle I. D. D doesn't come in A-E-I-O-U, so it's not vowel. P. No. Again P. No. H. No, it's a consonant. E. E comes in A-E-I-O-U, so E is vowel. So we will circle E. X. R. No, both of them are consonants. Z. Consonant. B. Consonant. A. Yes, A is a vowel. So we will circle A. L. It's a consonant. J. Again a consonant. So these are vowels. Let's see a beautiful song on vowels and consonant.
With your mouth, you don't need your teeth, you don't need your tongue. A-E-I-O-U. See, you didn't need your teeth, you didn't need your tongue to make those sounds. Consonant D, consonant E, vowel